Hey, now we're in the front of the house. We're about to perform a roof inspection, more specifically, a citizen's roof condition report. Ramon, please hand me the form. This is a form that is required by the state-backed insurance carrier, which is basically the bottom portion of the 4-point, which we'll get to later. And this form asks you the predominant roof covering, the secondary roof covering. It asks you the roof covering material, the roof age, the remaining useful life, the date of last roofing permit, the date of last update, and then if updated, full replacement, partial replacement, number of placement, and then overall condition can be excellent, good, fair, or poor. And then there's yes, no to all those questions. So this is basically a pass or fail for everyone who has citizens insurance inspections, which is about 90% of all houses in South Florida. So we're going to get on the roof, take a look at the roof, and then we're going to fill out that form. Now, before I go ahead and get on the roof, I'll explain to you why I'm wearing sunglasses, because UV rays are very harmful to your eyes. And after years of performing inspections and being out in the sun, I wear very, very expensive polarized sunglasses so I don't go blind. And then ladder safety is another thing. We want to make sure our ladder is ASTME rated. And if you're above a certain weight, make sure you're not above that rate it's weighted for. This is called a telescopic ladder. You want to make sure it's a certain angle out, whatever the details are. There is a free online ladder safety course on InterNACHI. And I suggest anyone who plans on getting on ladders take that course. So let's go up and check the roof out. Okay, so we're on the roof now, and we're going to be performing the Citizen's Roof Condition Certificate, or it's the bottom section of the 4-point inspection. So the first question is the predominant roof covering. So our predominant roof covering is concrete barrel tile, and I will walk along the roof and check it out. It asks us the roof age, which is 2004, so it's 13 years old. The remaining useful life, let me look at it first. Okay, so I don't see any obvious deficiencies in this roof. So the roof recovering material will be concrete barrel tile. Age of roof will be 13 years. Remaining useful life will be 15 years. Date of last roof permit 2004. Date of last update 2004. Secondary roof covering is this flat roof. So there's 2 flat roofs, one in the front, one in the back. And we're going to call it built-up roof. There's different names you can call this kind of roof. The actual material is called modified bitumen, but for reporting purposes, we'll just call it built-up roof. And it's the typical life expectancy of a built-up roof is 10 to 15 years, and this one is at I think we said 14 years, so it's at the end of its life expectancy. If you look at the front flat section, you'll notice it's ponding, and the water should not pond or hold water. There's also blisters. Ramon, and you can note these blisters, it's just hot air filled with blisters, and if they get holes, they can cause leaks. They're not a big deal now, but I would recommend the homeowner have those repaired. Okay, so after making a determination on the front flat roof section, we're going to check out the rear roof section, so let's head over there and check that out now. So here we are in the rear flat section. It's 14 years old, almost beyond its useful life expectancy. You see loose granules. That's a notice of deterioration, degradation. If you look over here, you see cracking all around the edges. It's just a sign of wear and tear. So this roof is near the end of its life expectancy. So based on this roof condition certificate, under secondary roof, it'll be built-up roof. Age of roof, 14 years. Remaining useful life, 1 year. Date of last roof permit, 2004. Date of last update, 2004. Full replacement, poor condition, yes, no. So if this is a pass or fail, he will fail because of the condition of the flat roofs. Now, insurance lingo, this is a quick tutorial. So for insurance, you need 3 years or more to pass on a roof. But in the insurance world, the day after tomorrow, your roof is less than 3 years old. So basically you need more like 5. So that's just a little tutorial on that. For now, we're done on this roof and we can get on to the next project.